Not long ago, Zach wrote about the Zongshen RX6 150 adventure bike, a Norton-powered midsize offering from China. His suspicion that this bike may be about to enter Western markets has come true. CSC Motorcycles is now taking deposits for the 2024 CSC RX6, a thinly veiled rebadge of the Zongshen model. Its pre-order sale price is just $6,695. This not only undercuts its Japanese competition by thousands of dollars, but it also gives you a brand new mid-size adventure bike for the price of a used one. The 650cc engine in the new CSC RX6 combines Zongshen's manufacturing pedigree with the licensed design derived from the Norton 200cc V4RR superbike, reads CSC's website. It lists figures of 70 horsepower and 62 Nm of torque, down from Norton's claimed figures of 84 horsepower and 47 pound-feet for this engine. It's possible, and not surprising, that this engine may be detuned a bit for non-Norton motorcycles. It's still slightly more than the Versy's 67 horsepower, with identical torque. It also matches the V-Strom's horsepower and torque. The RX6 is also fuel-injected, not carbureted like many older Chinese clones of popular bikes were. In theory, this Norton engine is right where it needs to be to compete with the Japanese. Another issue with Chinese bikes in the past has been difficulty registering them for road use. In the past, owners have had to be creative to put these bikes on the road, as their local DMVs didn't have these Chinese brands in their database. But once again, this has changed in recent years. Zongshen, in particular, has become more recognized, plus CSC is an American company selling them under their brand. All the CSC motorcycles are EPA, CARB approved for sale in all 50 states in the USA, CSC assured me in an email, but they are not approved by Transport Canada for sale in Canada. As a result, CSC will only sell the RX6 to US customers. One disadvantage of any off-brand motorcycle is that they don't have the aftermarket that mainstream brands do. I can get any kind of luggage or armor I want for my V-Strom from several different manufacturers, but at least for now, the RX6 doesn't have that level of support. However, CSC will offer some accessories on its own, including luggage, driving lights, heated grips, and optional wire-spoke tubeless wheels. That last one may be of particular interest to riders who prefer the rough stuff. CSC does not yet have price information available for these accessories. Only time will tell whether the CSC RX6 will be the equal, or more, of the Versy's, V-Strom, and other midsize ADV bikes in the US. Based on the information available now, though, color me intrigued. I'd love to try out an RX6 and see how it measures up to my V-Strom. It's going to be a while before we have that opportunity, but you can get in line to be among the first to get one of these later this year.